Think you can spot a top-tier mobile app developer just by glancing at a resume stuffed with acronyms and college degrees? I've seen folks hire based on a fancy piece of paper, only to watch their big-shot project crumble into a pile of buggy, unusable code. It's a costly lesson, and one you don't have to learn the hard way. This guide will show clear steps to assess candidates effectively and compliantly, plus insider hiring tips for mobile app developers. They're the architects, the engineers, the problem solvers who turn a simple idea into a functional, intuitive tool. They build the bridge between your business and billions of mobile users. Get this hire right and you've got a digital powerhouse. Get it wrong and you've just poured your budget down a digital drain. Crashes, bad reviews, security risks. The stakes have never been higher. A bad hire can delay launches and damage reputation. We'll cover must-have hard skills, critical soft skills, where to find candidates, how to assess them, and how to avoid costly hiring traps. We're in 2025. What mattered 5 years ago is only the starting line. Ready? Let's dig into the skills that separate a good developer from a great one. In 2025, a mobile developer who isn't fluent in AI native development is already behind the curve. Think Core ML or ML Kit, on-device intelligence that reduces cloud dependence. They must master cross-platform frameworks, React Native, Flutter, and newer tools like Kotlin multi-platform mobile. One codebase that targets phones, watches, and even car dashboards is a huge advantage. A great mobile dev understands back-end integrations, API management, caching, and offline-first design. Ask, can they design graceful degradation when the network drops? Must have hard skills, native iOS, Android APIs, cross-platform competence, strong testing and CI API design, security basics. Nice to have, blockchain for secure transactions, AR/VR experience, AI model optimization. Great, but secondary to core skills. A take-home project or prototype reveals how they think, structure, testing, and delivery under a deadline. Focus on the process, not just the right answer. Next, the soft skills that separate pros from pretenders. All the coding in the world won't help if they can't explain technical trade-offs to designers, marketers, or you. Look for communication, listening, humility, and collaboration. Personality traits. Curiosity, adaptability, conscientiousness, problem ownership, not lone wolf behavior. Problem-solving mindset. Sees bugs as puzzles to be solved, not excuses. Don't rely on resumes. Ask for stories. One speaker per question. Get them to narrate actions and outcomes. Ask, tell me about a time a project went completely off the rails. What did you do? Weak. I watched tutorials and got it done. Passive. Strong. I built a proof of concept, presented it, and saved months of work. Proactive. Look for initiative, ownership, and measurable impact. Useful questions. Describe a time you shipped a mobile feature end-to-end. How do you handle urgent production incidents? Use follow-ups. What specifically did you do? What was the impact? What would you do differently? Now let's find where these candidates actually are, and how to evaluate them objectively. You can cast a wide net on job boards, but the best profiles are often where developers hang out. Top sources, LinkedIn, GitHub, Stack Overflow, and niche communities or Slack Discord channels. Top pick #1, LinkedIn. Use targeted filters to find specific framework experience. Top pick #2, GitHub, real code and contribution history. Tell the truth about skill and style. Use a realistic time-box take-home project that mirrors your work to evaluate architecture and test coverage. Look for clarity, tests, and modular design, not just a working hack. Use structured interview scorecards, technical, soft skills, culture, and rate 1-5 to remove gut bias. Consider validated personality assessments as one data point. Use reputable providers and supplement interviews. Leverage ATS features to anonymize resumes and track consistent scoring for compliance. Objective scoring plus shared criteria equals sign fairer hires and defensible decisions. Next, common hiring traps and how to avoid bias and legal risk. Don't be starstruck by degrees. Some of the best devs are self-taught or bootcamp grads. Focus on portfolio and measurable outcomes, not logos on a resume. Rushing the hire to fill a chair often costs far more over time. Slow down and be deliberate. An extra week looking for the right person saves months of rework. We all have bias. Standardize questions, ask the same core items in the same order, and score objectively. Grade each candidate on predefined competencies. Avoid "would I grab a beer with them" checks. Don't ask about age, marital status, kids, religion, or national origin. They're illegal and irrelevant. Instead of "are you planning to have kids?" ask "how do you manage deadlines when unexpected personal issues arise?" Action steps: Rewrite the JD to prioritize outcomes, build your scorecard, prepare behavioral questions, set a take-home brief. Commit to finding the right blend of hard and soft skills. Your team and product will thank you. If you hire right now, visit peopleteam.com/hiring. Subscribe for more hiring guides. Go find that great developer.